So today I was just gonna talk a little bit about this S25 Ultra. I use it for maybe like 1 week now, and I'm gonna show you what are the disadvantage and advantage on this phone. Okay. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so because I'm gonna give you a lot of good information on phones like this, tricks and tips and things like that. Okay. So as you can see right now, I have two S25 Ultra and two of them is in front of my hand, which I don't need two of them. But however, why do I have two of them? So there's a story behind it, and then I'm gonna start it right now. Make sure you subscribe and let's get it going. Okay. So S25 Ultra, this phone here. Okay. When I first got this phone from a carrier, this phone, the battery, it doesn't last even for 5 hours. Okay. Within 5 hours, this thing can drop from like 90% to 0% within 5 hours or less. Okay. And I thought like maybe I should take some time, give it one more chance, couple chances and things like that. And in the end, I just couldn't hold it anymore. And then I told my carrier I need to exchange to a newer phone. And now this phone here, it lasts 7, 8, 9 hours with no issue, and yet it's still running. Okay. So let's say today I run from 6 o'clock, right now 11 o'clock, it's like 45%. So it still have 45% left. Okay. Which is pretty good because that's what I expected because I'm a heavy user, and this one, it doesn't even last 3 hours at one point. Okay. So I'm going to talk about the good thing first. The good thing is this is a very light phone. If you're looking for something big but light, you should consider S25 Ultra because it fits my hand. I can use one hand sometimes. Okay. And I can actually, carry this phone without feeling it's too big. S23 Ultra, S24 Ultra, somehow I felt a little bit big. Not sure why, but this one here with this case on, it's actually pretty good. As you can see, this is a MagSafe. I can just put it on with no issue, right? So the second thing is it's actually pretty smooth, especially right now. You can see the app drawers just go up and down, okay? And you can see the smoothness is really, really decent, okay? With 120 hertz refresh rate, okay? The color is really nice, no lagginess, pretty good, okay? And it actually depends on your carriers, okay? A lot of people still using 4G, which is in Canada, there's a lot of carriers that doesn't provide 5G. They only provide 4G. So if you expect using 4G on your phone and smooth, and like when you go on, browsing on internet and things like that, it doesn't work that way, okay? You need 5G or 5G plus with like 1 gig internet speed to make sure that it runs smooth like that, okay? If you're running 4G, I doubt that it will be smooth, okay? The camera itself has been updated, which I like it so much because of the lock. So I can color the video myself with just using Visual Resolve, Premium Pro CC, or even the CapCut itself too, okay? And then the zoom in quality is actually much better because they did upgrade. So I did few videos or even like pictures with zoom in. It looks really decent compared to my S23 Ultra. Now let's talk about the downside. If you guys have a battery issues, don't worry. It maybe is because of the phone itself. You just need to talk to your carriers and then that's it. Okay. And second thing is you have to understand that the S Pen, it doesn't work as before anymore. There is no clicking button, okay? There is no clicking button anymore. You cannot use this to take a pictures. You cannot use this to do scrolling. You cannot do this with like flipping the lens. You cannot do anything like that. However, because this is an S Pen, when you pull the S Pen from the Galaxy Note or S25 Ultra, you can start reading notes, pull out this S Pen on the lock screen, okay? So this is really, really convenient. And I would like to say is the third thing is if you are coming from a long time as like Samsung users, you have to understand that there's a lot of things you need to learn because a lot of One UI 7 has changed. The toggle bar, the front page of the lock screen, the app store, like everything has changed quite a bit. Okay, so when I scroll like this, you can see it's changed already. compared to One UI 6.1.1. Okay, little change. All right, toggle bar. Okay, sometimes I get so confused. Like you have to go down the toggle bar, go left and right to see my notifications, right? So there's a lot of things you need to change. If you want to go back to the old one, or you don't want to stick with this new one, you have to change somewhere else, which I'm going to show you on my next video. Okay, so this is my full review on the S25 Ultra. Completely for complete. This is my full review after I use it for maybe like 10 days. Okay, so subscribe my channel and have a good day. Bye bye. Peace out.